Hey guys, welcome back to another Tech Support Spy video. Thank you so much for watching this video and tuning in to Tech Support Spy. And as always, we wish all those who are watching this video, thank you for watching, and we hope all is well with all those who are watching us here on Tech Support Spy. I got a video here today. It's a troubleshooting video that anyone who is non-tech savvy and they're needing to fix their font size. If your font looks like this, looks all blurry, and you know, each browser that you may use like, I don't know, Edge, Microsoft Edge, you might use Google Chrome, you might use Firefox, you might use Opera. You know, there's multiple different web browsers out there. I need to do a video on web browsers too, just so that I can put that out there and help those who are non-tech savvy understand what the web browser is. But yeah, if you are having issues with your font is looking like this on every website you go to, every application that you launch in Windows, and it looks all blurry and the font looks all messed up and crazy, and it's like, hey, this is not how my font should be, how it should look. It should look differently. It should be more clear and more crisp. Then you might have a problem with Windows, and you might need to troubleshoot and fix your font. So with this video, I'm going to show you how to at least troubleshoot with one step. There's multiple variables or multiple steps that you can use to troubleshoot your font. You can troubleshoot your font in your web browser. You can do stuff with your resolution. You can go into Windows display settings and do font troubleshooting there. But I'm only going to give you one option in this video here. I'll give other videos on font troubleshooting videos and more videos I'll put out here later. But for this one, I'm going to show you how to use a Windows control panel or settings option to adjust your font size so your font can be back to the way you're used to seeing your font, and it's not looking like this. And at that point, you can be all happy, and now you can read your different websites that you go to. If you go to like CNN.com, or if you're looking at the USAtoday.com, hopefully you're not going to certain sites you shouldn't be going to and looking at the font there. But hopefully here, this troubleshooting step can help you adjust and troubleshoot your font. And hopefully this option can fix your font size and it can get back to being that normal font size that you're used to seeing Windows, all your websites and your different browsers that you use. Hopefully this helps you fix your issue. I don't got nothing else to say. I have nothing else to say. Let's go ahead and dive into the video. And as always, if you are non-tech savvy, you're not watching or using Tech Support Spy. Let's dive into the video, shall we? All right, guys, so here we go. We're about to show you a method that you can try to clear up your font. Hopefully that this method can help you clear your font size up. And if you're new to as we're going through this, if you got to pause it, if you want to take notes, you can take notes. And hopefully, again, that this option can help you fix your font issue that you may have with your browsers. If all the browsers are still looking foggy and unclear and not crisp of how you usually see your font size when you're using Windows or when you're browsing the internet and going to your favorite websites. And you're probably wondering, like, well, why does my font sometimes get all out of whack? Well, one answer would be, I don't know. I don't know, Shaggy. I don't know. I thought that was kind of funny. Anyway, I would say that if you are having issues with your font size, whereas normally was, you know, before you had a Windows update, it was probably working fine, and then after a Windows update, your font got all wacky and crazy. It could be multiple reasons or multiple variables of why your font just got all out of whack. I would say one reason why your font got all out of whack is either a Windows update somehow messed something up, or sometimes I've come across users when I've been troubleshooting Windows, especially Windows 10, they may have actually hit a hotkey or something and just threw out their font size, and they had to go and try to find ways to kind of troubleshoot and fix your font size because they accidentally hit a hotkey. So, I mean, there's multiple reasons. I mean, I can't really think of all the different reasons, but I would say the top two reasons why Your font might go out in Windows that's from your normal font size that you see when you're using Windows. Is probably a Windows update, or probably you accidentally hit some type of hotkey that had changed your font size. Sometimes we fat finger things, and especially if you're a laptop user, sometimes our palms kind of hit certain buttons and keys on our keyboard, and things get all out of whack because we didn't know that we accidentally hit a certain key with our palms. And sometimes you accidentally hit a hotkey and somehow throws all your fonts all out of whack, and then you're all mad. I thought that was funny too. Bad jokes. Sometimes it's your palms. Your palms when you're using a laptop, sometimes you may accidentally hit some type of hotkey. So that's my answer. If you're wondering why does my font sometimes go out and it's all out of whack, could be a Windows update, or you may have accidentally hit some type of hotkey on your keyboard or on your laptop when you were typing and using the computer. So let's show you how you can try to clear up your font. So as we see here, we have certain font sizes that are already kind of set, and this may look the same as your Windows. This is a Windows 10 machine, by the way, and you can use this same method I'm about to show you on Windows 11. I'll probably do another quick video, maybe a short video of how to do the same thing on Windows 11, but it's the same steps. You can see the font here. So if you are needing to troubleshoot and try to clear up your font, just look at the search. Go to the search, type in clear type, and adjust clear type text for the control panel will come up. And you can either click here or you can hit open. And we want to open that utility or that settings option for clearing your type text. So if you look at this, it comes up, it's the Clear Type Text Tuner is the name of the tool. It's a utility in Windows that you can use to try to clear up your font, to kind of get the font size within Windows to look better for you as a Windows user. So as you look at this, the Clear Type Text Tuner, look at this. I'm going to say turn on Clear Type and look at the font for the Recycle Bin, Google Chrome, Desktop Test. Watch the font size. See it kind of change and kind of get more bolder, so it's more, it kind of stands out more to you visually. As I turn it off, it goes back to kind of that plain font, that non-bolding or shadowy bolding of the font. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. All right, I'm going to go ahead and hit next. And as you see here, it says Clear Type makes the text you see on the screen sharper, clear, and easier to read. So we're going to hit next. This here, you can look at certain text sample that looks best for you and your eyes. You can choose the left or the right. I'm going to choose the right because I like the more darker look. If you can see here, the right has more of a darker look, a more bolder and shadowy type look. That's a word, shadowy. It's probably not a word, but it sounded good. Then you go to the next option, and you're going through sample text. I'm going to give you 5 examples that you can choose from. And again, I like that more bolder, the more shadow type font size. So I'm looking for something that's going to make it more bolder, more shadowy. I keep saying shadowy, and it's probably not a word, but more shadows around the text. So I'm going to go with this one right here. I'm going to go to the third one. All these kind of look the same to me, but as far as my eyes, the middle one looks more crisp. It stands out more to my eyes. So I'm going to go with that one. This one, I like the lower right corner, this one here. So I'm going to go with this one. And we're at the last one, 5 out of 5. And remember, I kind of like that bold, that shadow look. So I like the lower right corner here. I'm going to go with that. Then you're going to you have finished tuning the text on your monitor. You hit finish. So if you look here, it's definitely not that bold white look that I had at the beginning of us going into this virtual machine. But at that point, you want to test your font. You want to look at your font, see how the font looks. See if it's, you know, crisp enough for you in your eyes and how you view and look at things, and make sure you're fine with it. You know, if you need to go back through it again, go back through it again. You can type in, again, clear, go to the search, clear, type, and adjust clear type text comes up as an option from the control panel. Yes, Windows 10 and Windows 11, even though they have settings, the control panel is still options that you can access in control panel and be able to do things with Windows. This comes up, and just turn on clear type, hit next, and keep going through the different options and choosing which font best works with your eyes and best works with how you want Windows to display your web browser text, to display your application text, your desktop text to you, and get to the finish line. If it's not working for you and does not fix your font issue, then there's another step, a totally different troubleshooting step that you have to take to try to fix your font. But try this step first. Try this clear type text option first as a first option to troubleshoot your font. And if that doesn't fix it, then there's like multiple different other variables and troubleshooting steps that you can take, which we won't talk about in this video, but we will do another font video to give you another option or another step that you can take to troubleshoot your font. I hope this option works for you. I hope it helps you if you have font issues. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Tell everybody about TekSupportSpy. Help the channel grow. Comment below. Let us know how we did in this video. And again, if you are non-tech SAVVY, you're not watching or using TekSupportSpy, and I hope you like my tan. I got a tan from a vacation I went on, and I've got the lights everywhere, and I know my tan is probably looking crazy. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care, and thank you for watching TekSupportSpy.